These days, it's easy to find music online, but it's also easier than ever to make music. An entire band's worth of sound can be programmed into a single instrument, computer, or even phone. So how does that work? Keyboards, drum pad controllers, and other electronic instruments can be used as musical instrument digital interface instruments, or MIDI instruments, which collect data every time you press a key, hit a drum pad, or pluck a string. That data acts as a set of instructions that tells computers which keys you pressed, which drums you hit, and which strings you plucked. When combined with the right software or app, you'll have complete control over that data so you can play or create all kinds of music. Unlike audio files, MIDI tracks are endlessly customizable. While you can modify digital audio quite a bit, MIDI takes editing to the next level. You can change the note value, realign the rhythmic pattern, or transform a piano melody into a guitar solo with just a few clicks. If you're new to MIDI, or even to music, that's okay. Mixing tracks is a fun way for anyone to build memorable beats and melodies. Think of mixing as a collage of sound. Sometimes a track will stand out on its own. Lots of times, tracks will overlap and come together. And you'll probably end up cutting tracks into pieces to fit just the way you want. Like a collage, the goal is to arrange the pieces in a way you enjoy. You may be surprised how quickly a few separate pieces can become something beautiful. MIDI instruments and mixing can be inexpensive and exciting ways to flex your musical creativity. Because whether you're brand new to creating music or you've studied for years, the more you mix and experiment, the more you'll learn.